Hi, this is the instructions for using the Java client AI for the Windward Codewar playing Acquire. Okay, so the way it starts is you've got your folder with everything in it. You double click on Player Java AI, and that'll bring up hopefully IntelliJ. If you use Eclipse, you're on your own in terms of figuring out exactly how Eclipse is used. All right, so My Player Brain, this is where it all is. So you put in your name, you put in your university, and so forth. And then what goes on down here is this is called once at the beginning of every game. So if there's anything you need to initialize in your AI, set it up here. Then this will be called before your actual, it's on your turn, I guess you'd say step one of your turn. The only thing you can return here is those two tiles, cards, or none. So the place 4 tiles or the draw 5 tiles. And that's just telling it up front that you're going to get 5 more tiles into your set of tiles before picking yours, or that you want to place 4 tiles. Then if you place the 4 tiles, and only then, you'll get this call for the first 3 of those 4 tiles, where it's just asking what tile to place where. All right, then this is your normal turn, or the main part of the turn, where you give it back what tile to play and what purchasing you want to make. You know, what change you're going to buy. And then if you cause stocks to be merged, you'll get this called one at a time for what to do on merging, including the choice of if it's 2 equal size chains, which one to merge out. Now these classes are used for the instructions for your turn. These are the units, and again you'll use those, but again the only thing you're editing is My Player Brain normally. And then the framework, this is what handles the messages coming in and going back out. Again, you should not have to touch it. So what you do then is you run the server. And yes, you can run the server in Visual Studio in debug mode, but you generally won't want to. So you run here, and then you run your client. Okay, it's now running. We go back over to the server. Here we are, and see, you've shown up. And hopefully you've updated your name and your icon, unless you like being a Care Bear. At that point, by the way, you can click this once and it puts it in a mode. You'll see a little green triangle there. And in that case, as soon as you start, you don't have to do these steps. This system is now started. All right, you can step through. Or you can run for a while and then pause. Now let me take you through a couple things on here. This is your score. It is not your cash on hand, it's your score. These are the cards that you can still play. If one is missing, like this one's missing from you, you've already played it. All right, on your stock, anything you're a first majority holder in, you'll have here. Anything you've got the second majority in, you'll have here. And any additional stock you have will be down here in the third one. Again, not cash on hand, but score so far, and the total score between all the games, because we run 10 games when we're running the finals. Down here for each hotel, how many shares each person has, how many are still available, how many tiles it is, and the present price on it. Note that your price right here can go down, because it's assuming you'll end up with the first majority bonus here. But if someone else gets 2 shares of Salesforce, boom, you're down in the second majority, that number will go down. If a couple of people get 2 shares, boom, you're totally out of it. You've still got it as stock, but you've lost those majority holders bonuses. Okay, gray means it's not part of any chain. And then let's go a little further and see if we can get it. Oh, we had it for a second. Okay. These are gray because you can't join 2 safe chains. Okay, you could also have, let's assume there's nothing near it, one next to here and all the chains are in use. You would also have this gray if you can't create a chain. So basically that's it. Your world's in here. The last thing I will add is you've got log, use it. Over here when it starts, it will log that out. And the reason why is most of the interesting stuff will occur when you go, oh, I want to see what happened 3 seconds ago, and logging is the only way you're going to have that. And with that, good luck. Thanks. Bye.